What is going on, guys? Kyle of Finance Bro. Welcome back to another video. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's video. Before we get into that though, I really want to encourage you guys to hit the like and subscribe button so you guys keep up with the latest and up-to-date news and information on Shiba Inu. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. Shiba Inu is down just about 3.48% today over the last 24 hours. Again, this is something to be expected. The overall cryptocurrency market is bleeding pretty heavily today as well. If you look at this top, or the bottom right rather, popular cryptocurrencies, this kind of little category right here, you can see that pretty much every single cryptocurrency except for a select few are down 5, 6, 7, 10% even on some of these major names. And it's not a big deal, okay? Again, I think that this is a normal feature of the cryptocurrency markets. We know crypto is volatile. We know that these types of things tend to happen. And in my opinion, Shiba Inu will bounce back sooner rather than later. If you actually guys want to pick up a free stock and start buying Shiba Inu if you want on this platform as well, you guys can hit the first link down in the description below and sign up and deposit at least $1 on public.com, and you guys will get a free stock with our code. So if you guys want to get some free money, and also you can buy some Shiba Inu if you would like with that link as well, you guys should hit the first link down in the description below. Let's get into some of the news though. We have quite a few articles to cover today, so make sure to watch to the very end of this video. Let's start here. Shiba Inu is now held by over 1.145 million users. This is a new all-time high. If you guys aren't familiar, what they're referring to is basically that the holders, obviously the number of people who are currently holding Shib, right, are increasing day by day by day, and this is something that continues to go up and up and up. So let's read about this and see what they are saying. According to info shared by WhaleStats blockchain analytics platform on January 17th, the number of Shiba Inu holders reached a whopping 1,145,212 users, hitting a new record for this crypto community. Shiba Inu is a community that is growing fast. At the moment, the number of Shib holders has exceeded over 1.145 million. 4 days ago, You Today reported that the growth of Shib holders was only at 1,140,000. So basically a 5,000 increase, which is really nice to see. However, even with this fast growth rate, the number of users holding the second largest meme coin falls behind that of Baby Doge. We don't care about Baby Doge though. Here's the WhaleStats Twitter account. As you can see, new record, she reaches an astonishing 1.145 million holders. Now, what's big about this, guys, is that I can remember a time back in October and November when I believe Shiba Inu only had 90. I want to say it's somewhere in the 800,000 to 900,000 holders, which is pretty critical considering the fact that we've increased almost not only 200,000 but over 300 to 400,000 holders in just a few months. That's absolutely incredible, especially when you consider that Dogecoin, that Shiba Inu's market cap is of course number 14 in the entire world, and at that time we were the number 11th. We were past Dogecoin at that point as far as market cap was concerned. We were doing quite well. So again, guys, Shiba Inu, in my opinion, only continues to grow. It only continues to expand, and this is a coin that I have my money in for the long term. Next news article here, we have Shiba Inu price prediction. This crucial level can determine Shib's success. So this goes into a little bit of technical analysis, which is something that I think you guys really enjoy, especially when we do it on this channel. So we're going to get into it. Now, before we get into it though, I really want to encourage you guys, if you haven't already, join our private Discord if you guys want to get access to our buy and sell alerts. We're running a 50% off limited time sale only, guys. It's going to end at the very end of the week. When you guys sign up with this $10 per month tier, you guys get this rate as long as you are subscribed to our Patreon. You guys don't have to get the $20 tier when the sale is over. So again, if you want to get locked in at that price, at the $10 price where it's on sale right now, you guys have to act now, okay? It's going to be over by the end of this week, so make sure you guys get in while you still can. But let's talk some technical analysis. Shiba Inu's price traded at a Q level, one which could determine its near-term trajectory. Could bulls combat multiple red flags and remain vigilant at the 50% Fibonacci level? She would likely burst to the upside. However, it's worth noting that indicators did not support a favorable outlook, and any long-term setups would be extremely risky until Shib tags a safer support zone. Here is Shiba Inu's 4-hour time frame, and here is what they're expecting, right? They're expecting a bounce off of this resistance and another bounce and another bounce until they reach basically these highs that we experienced just a couple of weeks ago when we had that actually it was about a week ago now, that Robinhood kind of listing hype that everybody was experiencing. This is what they're expecting us to bounce back towards, but again, there are some key levels that Shiba Inu needs to either support itself at or break through in order to see that. Shiba Inu's rallied to the 2392 level, and a subsequent retracement to the 2922 level last week was quite significant on the 4-hour time frame. For the first time in 21 days, Shib was able to create a new higher low, breaking off from an earlier downtrend. Now, at press time, Shib was trading at a crucial 50% Fibonacci level on the back of a minor retracement. Now, if you guys don't know what these words mean, if you guys aren't familiar with technical analysis, again, I can't explain it all in this one video, unfortunately, but what they're basically saying is that the supports are continuing to establish themselves more and more, and those critical higher lows and higher highs that we keep wanting to experience, it looks like we're starting to set up for those. So that is a good sign going forward. So let's go to this conclusion and just kind of wrap this whole article up. Shiba Inu had to go against the tide to sustain above the 50% Fibonacci level. If a bullish response is not observed over the next 24 hours, the next rally would likely take place after Shib tags the 2552 level or the 2718 support. Keep all of this in mind, guys. Again, as technical analysis goes through, once again, guys, it's not always the case. Sometimes technical analysis can fail due to major market conditions, and we see this really often with, for instance, Bitcoin. Bitcoin tends to control the overall movement of the market. So when you see Bitcoin start to take a little bit of a dump, when it starts to kind of push back down towards the upside, or towards the downside rather, that can be a little bit of a scary event for the most of the market. Most of the market will start selling off. Again, Bitcoin is down today, down about 1.44%. So is Ethereum. Those are the major drivers of the market. So we're seeing most of these other cryptocurrencies follow suit. Shiba Inu is no different. And unfortunately, right now, the overall market is not really trading much on technicals, and it's much more rather trading on fundamentals and just overall market action with bigger, larger cap coins. This is interesting. Shiba Inu team warns of misleading Shib addresses on CoinMarketCap. If you guys are familiar with what's going on with CoinMarketCap, or kind of the FUD around that, again, if you go to CoinMarketCap's website, or rather their site, and you go all the way down to, of course, Shiba Inu. And as you can see, when I hit more, these are 3 contract addresses. These are wormhole addresses. These are addresses where if you were to send any Shiba Inu, any money, anything that you send to these addresses, you will not get back. It's gone forever. And for some reason, CoinMarketCap has yet to remove these from the page. All they've done is place this red little warning label at the top of the page here with words that most people who are new to cryptocurrency will not understand, and will likely lose out on their assets if they were to send it to these addresses. Again, a lot of people who are new to cryptocurrency, they don't know what they're doing, right? They're going to make mistakes. They're going to kind of, do things just to try and figure out if they're right or wrong. If they send money to these addresses, it's not good. So this article, of course, highlights, and of course, I wanted to highlight it in my own video, just so you guys are aware of what's happening. And of course, so you guys don't get tripped up by that and don't send money to those addresses as well. And nice little thing here, new record, the official Shib token Twitter has reached over 2.6 million followers. As you can see right there, this is the verified Shib token official Twitter account, and they are at 2.6 million followers. Really quick, just wanted to mention this before anything else. Guys, they have not said anything since January 13th. You have to understand that these dev accounts are usually very active. We usually see them tweet at least once a day, if not once every 2 days. We have gone several days now. It's the 18th of January. It's been almost like 5 days now, and we haven't heard a single thing from them since the CoinMarketCap fiasco. That's kind of the last major thing that they were tweeting about. Really, we haven't heard much. So maybe something's big, something big could be coming. We don't know, right? There's a lot of interesting speculation that could be had there. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think is coming, if you think anything's coming. If you guys haven't already, really recommend joining our Discord. It's the best place to get started in crypto. And of course, if you guys want to be a part of an amazing community, plus get access to our buy and sell alerts. We alerted to a bunch of cryptos literally a couple of weeks ago, and a lot of those did really, really well after that. Unfortunately, the market is pulling on back right now, but we're going to keep buying the dips. So if you guys want to know when we're buying those dips, get in with the 50% off sale. Get access to our Discord, guys. I think you guys really enjoyed either way. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.